Hello, this is Pam with Pamshairexpo. This is a quick, easy twist on long dreadlocks. I started his dreads, so I pretty much know the pattern, but we're just gonna palm roll. So it's super easy when you're just palm rolling it, and when his hair being the length that it is, then it's easy. Like I said, for you to do the retwist on his hair. Like I said, with doing the palm roll, that's all we need. I have other clients in which I have to do the crochet to try to crochet some of the hair back in and all that or whatever, but for the most part, his is super easy when it comes to having a retwist because, like I said, all we're doing is just palm rolling it, and we're putting the clip at the end in order to hold the ends at the base nice and tight, like that. And usually something like this right here wouldn't take more than 25-30 minutes. Like I said, only because his hair is already patterned correctly, and on top of that, I don't have to crochet any, hair back in. So this is just an easy twist palm roll retwist for the dreads. I just want to share it with you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I love you and peace.